Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to download Maven. So for that, download Maven from Apache. So this is from Apache site. So go to here. So currently I'm in. Okay, I will give you this description. So this is the site, or else you can directly type download Maven from Apache because Maven is from Apache. So now if you go to here, yes. So download this one. So currently we are in this site. So now click it. So the version is Maven version is 3.6.3. So let me download. So it's downloading. Now go to my downloads, my computer, download. So I am using Windows 7 operating system. If you are using Windows 10 also, same way. So there is no changes. So now extract, because if you we downloaded as a zip format. So now extract here. So now it's extracted. So if you look into this, so this is the folder structure. So bin is there and lib folder is there. So now take this one and copy in some drive. So wherever you want to copy it. So either C drive or D drive or E drive. So if you look at this, see, I have I have already copied here. So now we have, so I'm already having the older version. So but if you look into this in our downloads, so I have downloaded 3.6.3. So any version is fine. So now I'm having Maven. So now I need to give my Maven home. So now Maven is installed. So now I need to set same as Java. So same as Java, we need to set uh, Maven home and path also. So, so further, so Maven home. Let's go home. Sorry, R Control Z. It's good. So yeah, let's go home. So means where you have installed your Maven. So this is my structure. Here I have installed my Maven. So that's right, Maven. So now same way we need to provide the path. Path means till bin folder you need to give. So go to here. So bin, till bin you need to give in your system environment variables, or else you can give like this also. I don't want to give like this, so you can go for this also. So here, see, till here, this will represent this, and extra we are adding this. Both are same. See, here we are giving the total path, but here already we know Maven home, so give it Maven homes means till here, and after that this one. But in your case, so we downloaded 3.6.3, so 6.3, 6.3. But currently I'm using 3.6.1, so that's why I'm using this 3.6 version. So now go to my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. See, Maven home is there. And see here I have copied my Maven in C drive. So you may copy it in D drive. So don't type. So go to the physical location of your Maven and select the path and select the location and give it as Maven home. It might be a D drive or E drive, whatever it may be. Select that one, give it as home. And after that, for path, so Maven home slash view. And here you need to use percentages. So if you use percentage, so it will read still here, and we are adding this extra. So this is a way you need to give. See, I have given it those things. So Maven home is there, and path also I have given the path. So if you look into this, see, Control A, Control C, answer, answer. Okay, Maven home. See, I have given Maven home in the path. So these things I have given it path. So if you look into this, so go to your end of the line and there you copy this. So like this you need to do. If you don't have, so go to the end of the line and give here semicolon and copy your things. And select this and go to your system advanced system settings, environment variables, and go to your path and edit, remove this and copy total path. So this is the easiest way. Now, now, so when you, so we have set the Maven path and home. Now I want to verify whether my Maven path is set properly or not. For that, you need to go for command prompt cmd. So Maven mvn minus v. See, this is my Maven version. I have installed. Okay. Enter. So if I look into this, one second. So see, this is my right. So this is my Maven version, and this is my Java version. See, this is my Maven version, and this is my Java version. If you type Maven, means mbn minus v, then if you are getting your Java path, means Java version and Maven version, then your Maven path is set properly. See, if you look into this, so I'm using Windows 7. That's why it's showing Windows 7. If you are using Windows 10, it will show you Windows 10. And I'm using 64-bit operating system. And it's a Windows operating system. That's why it's showing like that. So now your Maven path is set. So once you type this mbn minus v, so what will happen? So once everything is set, so go to my computer, C drive, and users. So here, if you are using your laptop, so if you are using your company's laptop, so there you will have your alias name. So because I'm using Dell system, so the username is Dell is shown. So if you go to this, see users, your username, then you can able to see a folder called M2 is going to create. When this M2 is going, this folder will be created. So once you install your Maven into your system and your Maven path, everything is set properly. Once you type Maven, means not Maven, mbn minus v, then this M2 file will be going to create it. And in the M2, it will create the repo. So when it is going to create the repository, so let me go to my STS new. So when you are creating Maven project, so I want to create a one Maven project. So Maven is set. M2 folder is created. Now, how to create others? So go to here. So which project we want to create? Maven project. So Maven project. So select this one. Next. So here group ID. So your package name from that test. Artifact ID, your project name. So EM my project name is employee. So now finish. See, now it's created employee project. And if you look into this structure is created because of you created it as a Maven project. So that's why. See, it's created the three different folder structure. And here in the palm, if you look into this, so here you are having a palm file. So here we need to add all the project required dependencies. If you are using some project, so what are the dependencies of that project? So I want to have a database connection. So you need to specify either MySQL dependency. So if you are using Spring Boot application, so Spring Startup Web, like that you need to specify the dependencies in the form file. So whatever the dependencies you have specified, so when you are cleaning this project by using Maven clean install. So here you need to specify all your dependencies. So where you need to specify, so here, so in between dependencies, you need to provide the dependencies. So what are the dependencies you need to provide? So with respect to your project, so those dependencies you need to provide. So once you are doing Maven clean install, now what will happen? So in the M2, a repository will be created. So it will download all your required dependencies here. And this will be added to your project as a dependencies. So this is a way your Maven will work. So M2 folder is going to create when you install and set, install Maven into your local system, and once you add your Maven home and path, everything is set properly. And once you run this first time, mvn-v, that time your M2 folder is going to create. And when this repository folder is going to create, so when you create Maven project and when you add the dependencies in the Maven project, so all those dependencies are going to download into your repository. So from where it will download these dependencies? So from Maven repository. And this will be added to your project as a dependency. So this is about your Maven. So hope you understood. Thank you.